Using the Clearpay Online is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use the Clearpay Online. So before starting, let me tell you one thing first. What is Clearpay? Clearpay is actually same as Afterpay. In some countries the Clearpay is called as Afterpay, as you guys can read here, while in other countries it is called as Clearpay. So if you can't find Clearpay, you just have to go to this website, which is afterpay.com. Now how you guys can use it online, so you just have to go to this website and you just have to scroll down until you start seeing the brands, and here you just have to download the app in order to see all the products that you can buy. You just have to download the app, or you can browse it right here. You can try to, if I go there, and what it will do is it will find me all the stores or all the things that I can buy. So if I go to all categories, and I go to men, it will show me all the products that I can buy. You just have to select the right products that you want to buy, add it to cart, or you can directly buy. So why are we buying through Afterpay? Afterpay help us by buying the product at instant, and you can pay for the product in installments. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Clearpay / Afterpay online. Hope you guys find this video helpful.